How long does it take for septic tank bacteria to recover? A septic tank depends on healthy bacteria to break down waste and keep the system working properly. When harmful chemicals, bleach, antibacterial soap, or too much grease enter the tank, the natural bacteria can weaken or die. Many homeowners then wonder about the septic tank bacteria recovery time and how long it takes for the system to return to normal. In most cases, septic bacteria can start recovering within a few days. However, full recovery may take anywhere from 2 weeks to several months depending on the damage and tank conditions. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. What affects septic tank bacteria recovery time? Several factors can influence how quickly the bacteria grow back inside the tank. 1. Amount of chemical damage. Small amounts of cleaners may only slow bacteria activity for a short time. Strong chemicals or excessive bleach can destroy large portions of beneficial bacteria. 2. Water usage. Too much water can flush bacteria out before they fully recover. Spreading laundry and water used throughout the week helps the system stabilize. 3. Tank size. Larger septic tanks usually recover more steadily because they hold more waste and bacteria. 4. Temperature. Warm temperatures help bacteria multiply faster, while cold weather can slow the recovery process. Signs your septic tank is recovering. You may notice several improvements once bacteria become active again. Drains start flowing better, bad odors become weaker, less standing water near the drain field, fewer sewage backups, waste breaks down more efficiently. These signs usually indicate that the septic system is regaining balance. How to help septic bacteria recover faster? Homeowners can support faster recovery with proper septic care. 1. Use septic-safe products. Choose cleaning products labeled safe for septic systems. Avoid excessive bleach and antibacterial cleaners. 2. Limit grease disposal. Cooking grease and oils can disrupt bacterial activity and create buildup inside the tank. 3. Avoid overloading the system. Reduce heavy water usage for several days to allow bacteria to rebuild naturally. 4. Add septic treatments. Some septic-safe bacterial treatments may help restore microbial activity and improve waste digestion. Understanding septic tank bacteria recovery time is important for maintaining a healthy septic system. Mild bacterial damage may recover within days, while severe damage can take weeks or months. Proper maintenance, careful product use, and regular septic care can help bacteria stay healthy and keep the system operating efficiently for years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.